everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is time for Makeup Monday. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Patrice here at Uneek Avon. I love to do things including unboxings, tips, tricks, what's new, what's happening, what you need to put your eye on, and some awesome deals I love to show you as well. We love to do our Pokemon 25th anniversary series here and working with the beautiful Uneek Squad and Carolina girls. And if you do not know who they are, they of course will be listed down in the description box below. But today is Makeup Monday. Today is Makeup Monday. So, in love of Makeup Monday, I'm going to go into my Black Heart palette that I got from Hot Topics. And these are 15 eyeshadow palette packs. I am so excited to be going back into this. I'm going to use a lot of Complexion products, of course, from Avon, a lot of things from NYX. I'll always leave everything I use down in the description box below for you, just in case you want to create a look similar to mine, or if you want to create with me, get your Black Heart palette and come on. Come have some Makeup Mondays with Mama. Come on, have some Makeup Mondays with Mama, okay? As always, we love to have fun here. So if you love to laugh, if you love to smile, or sometimes you just need a cry moment, just come on and sit over here with us. It's okay to subscribe to the channel. It is totally free to you, but it means the absolute world to me. And lets me know that what I'm doing here on YouTube is impacting your life. So I pray that it is. So if you don't remember where I got this palette from, it was in a Blockbuster, not a Blockbuster, it was in a Hot Topics haul that include the Blockbuster palette. And I will remember to leave that video in the icon above. But this is what the cover looks like. It's like a sugar skull kind of thing. It is 15 pans. It does have a mirror and all these beautiful shades here. The shades are Skeleton, Not Sorry, Go Away, Black-Hearted, Fallen Petal, Not Today, Introvert, Cursed, Everything Sucks, Stay Weird, Song Lyrics, Awkward, Nope, Poison, and Weirdo. And we are going into that. And also, I picked up the Fmg Glimmer Satin Lips in Thunder. Now, if y'all seen it, it's the black lipstick. Look at that. I'm going to show you. Look, it's the black lipstick. So if you're like me, who like to do grunge makeup and everything like that, Thunder. So I'm going to take this beauty and this beauty, and we're going to play today in Makeup Monday. And we're going to get started on this Makeup Monday. So guess what? Sit back, relax, enjoy the tunes as I go into my Black Heart palette.
There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. Back we're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life. Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. but I don't know why. You hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she don't.
Oh, just, I love this palette. I absolutely love this palette. That palette was gorgeous. All my colors went on smooth, delicious, and buttery. This FMG, this lipstick right here brung all of it to the next level. I mean, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Okay, one more thing. I just want to try. There we go. This is just the back of my makeup brush. I'm just walking it across. There we go. I just wanted to figure out what was so different. That's what it needed. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. I would so wear this out. So wear this out. This is so me. Like, if y'all have seen my makeup from the Carolina girls when we did our makeup for them for high school, this is basically what I look like. This is what I look like. I was the gothic, I was grungy, I was that kind of chick. That was just my vibe. That was just my style. So I, and with my new hair, am loving this. Like, oh my gosh. I'm loving this so much. This Makeup Monday was like, oh, this is gorgeous to me. Oh my gosh. I'm actually about to just go outside, yo. About to walk outside with a mask on. It is mask approved. Yes, it is. Mask approved. And I had, now let me give transparency, because you know that's how we do it at Mama's channel. This this toner from the Face Shop in Avon, it's pink. So it went on very pink. But as you see, it literally did what it was supposed to. It blended out real well. It enhanced my makeup. It made it like a glow from within. And I love that. I love the way it looks. Yeah, a lot of people might say, Patrice, your face is shiny. But from what I'm seeing right here, I'm not all that shiny. I do still have some powder on this brush. So I am going to just... because I used to do a lot of, you know, powders and things. But with it being in the summer now, I'm not going to do a lot of powder. Because I just want my moisture to come through. I am going to spray my face with the Believe. Oh, so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love my makeup. I love my makeup every time I do my makeup. This is why I love doing it. And I love playing in all the products and everything. But today... this right here, this is Patrice. This is me. This is how I normally would look. The lipstick is very dark. I love a dark lip. I love like dark cherries, dark reds. Like I love Cherries Jubilee and Nova from the same FMG line. But this Thunder, and I don't know what the color that was. Let me see. That was, what was that? Poison. The red is called Poison. Now there's a color here. It's called Not Sorry. The whole time I was singing Demi Lovato. Sorry, not sorry. In my head, I was just like, But I love this. I love this. I love this makeup. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you want to try it? If you have this beautiful black heart from Hot Topics, don't forget to let me know and down in the description box below. If you don't know what a Hot Topics is, honey, try Hot Topics, okay? But it will be, I will actually do the color swatches on my Instagram, just like I did with the Blockbuster palette. I will put the swatches of the black heart up on there so you can see them on my color skin and how they look. But I am loving this. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagram so you will know all the backstage stuff, all the behind the scenes stuff. Pretty soon we are going to be doing backstage stuff. So stuff I edit out, stuff I clip out, you will actually get to see it backstage. We are working behind the scenes to do that as well. So I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm literally about to go outside, y'all. I'm about to go. I'm about to go cake testing or wedding dress shopping with my friend. I don't know what we're supposed to be doing today. I think we're supposed to be going... Is it dress shopping? I forget. Because y'all know she's engaged. So I was made the matron of honor or bridesmaid or something like that. I forget. All I know is it's me and then another one of her friends. So I guess I'm the maid of honor. I think that's what it's called. So remember to be happy, be kind, be courageous, because this was way out of my comfort zone. But look how gorgeous it turned out. God bless, and we'll catch you on the...
It's not your fault, but you don't realize